Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's been a while, y'all, and I promise you I'm not being inconsistent on purpose when it comes to YouTube. I've literally been doing hair full-time, like non-stop, all day, every day, so that's more of my full-time thing than YouTube now. So it's just how the cookie crumbles, you know, but I'm back. We're here with a 9-month update. I can't believe I made it past 9 months, because I made 9 months April 22nd and it is now May 1st. So I'm really excited. This is the longest set that I've ever had and I'm still here. I'm still loving it. So it's definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. And I just wanted to share with y'all what's going on and also just do like a little quick close-up too, because I haven't recorded one of those in a while. I'm just gonna get right into it. I don't want to waste any time, so let's talk, because it's really just my ends now that need to lock up. As you can see, some of them are still pretty stretchy. Some of them are like still coiled at the ends too, you know, like this one, these, a lot of them are, but there are some that are completely fully locked too. But these side ones, it's really this one. This is probably like my most struggle one, just because it still has such a long way to go. But you can see like that little bulb at the end. It's locking, y'all. It's just taking its sweet old time. This one's definitely locking up much better than this one. Still got some frizz going, but I'm noticing that my hair doesn't get as frizzy as it used to be. It's like it's starting to, you know, compact a little bit more, because they're definitely not as fat as they used to be either. And most of the ones that still have the curly ends, I can feel where it is beginning to knot up, so the ends are getting there. You know, they're just taking their time. There really haven't been many changes with my hair other than it's just locking more. It's really just the ends, like I said. I don't have any scalp problems. I don't have like dry scalp or any issues. Like my hair is not super itchy. When it comes to moisturizing my hair, I do it as needed. I don't have like a set schedule or set routine, because I just feel like for me it makes no sense to have a set schedule when it comes to moisturizing my hair, because I'm not going to moisturize my hair if it's not dry, you know what I'm saying? So there's some people that, you know, they like to spray their hair every single day. I am not one of those people. I will spray it if I want to just give it some life, if I want to just refresh it a little bit. And like if it was in a style and it's, you know, bent up in certain places, then, you know, I'll spray it, or I'll steam my hair in the shower. But other than that, I don't have a set schedule. I probably moisturize my hair maybe like 1 to 2 times a week, if that. And I also don't always use oil either, because I just don't feel like my hair really needs it. So I've kind of just been listening to my hair, you know, paying attention to it. If it feels dry, if I'm outside all day and like I notice it feels a little weird, you know, I'll moisturize it or I'll wash it if I need to. But I don't have a set schedule. I kind of just go with the flow. So I'm gonna get right into this close up for you guys. I know a lot of you guys probably really want to see this, because I did not even do an 8-month update. I've been so busy. So you guys haven't really been able to see my hair in the last like 2 months really, because that last retwist that I uploaded was from a long time ago. Like a long time. I don't even know when I recorded that, because I actually retwisted my hair again after that, but I just didn't record it. Hi Leroy. So yeah, let's get into this close up. Let me get a hair tie so I can put my hair up. And my hair is shrinking up too, because it's a little bit more difficult to do certain styles that I like. I'm lying. It's really only difficult to put it up in like a bun. I have to put it up in a lot of different sections when I want to do a bun. So it wasn't like that before, because my hair was still stretchy. So it is losing its elasticity, which is a good thing. It means it's locking up. Because my hair is shrinking up more, it's a little bit more painful to do styles. So I kind of have just been leaving my hair out for the most part, or I'll do a half up, half down. I do wear wigs once in a while, so other than that, I mean, I do this with my hair a lot too, but it really just depends on how I'm feeling, what I'm doing throughout the day. I do keep my hair wrapped up a lot too. Because I do hair, I don't want stuff going in my hair. You already know I have a cat. I do not want his fur in my hair. But if you see his fur in my hair when I do this close up, don't judge me, okay? He is white and orange. What do you expect? I try my best. And yeah, if my edges are crusty, it's because I was doing my edges the last few days and it might be a little crusty, but that's my business. So the very first row is like super locked. It's like they really feel like locks, you know? The texture almost looks like I did 2-strand twists on some of them, which I think is really cool. But I know it's because when I did the finger coils, it's not as tight of a curl as a comb coil. So I believe that's why this one on the side that I showed you before still looks really curly, because I did the finger coils. But I'm not mad at it. One thing I was really worried about was my thicker ones looking super duper thick compared to the rest, but I'm noticing over time they definitely compact more and they start to look more similar to the other ones that may not be as big. So it's not like that huge of a difference, which is nice. It's very relieving because they were really fat when they were budding up, and now they're starting to get a little bit skinnier. This is the one lock that I had to cut. If you watched my last update, I believe I talked about the one that I had to cut because the ends were just like, it was so thin. It was like, I knew it was not gonna actually puff up how this end is doing now. And it just made me really nervous, so I just ended up saying fuck it and I cut it. So this is like one of my shortest ones that I have. You can see the length difference. It's not too bad. But a big part of the reason why I like doing these close-ups and updates for you guys is to show you that having locks is really a process. Your hair locking up is truly a process. Even at past 9 months, I still have some locks that, you know, are not fully locked. And I still have a long way to go, and it's completely normal. So don't be scared and don't be worried if your hair is not locking up as fast as you want it to. It's not really about what you want when it comes to locks. Like, it is, but it isn't. Like, they're gonna do whatever they want to do. They may or may not look how you envisioned, and a lot of it is just acceptance. But I feel like once you start your locks, you're already accepting that it is gonna do what it wants to do. There's some clients that I have that started their locks a certain size in hopes that it would come out a certain size, and it didn't. And they end up actually liking it better. So give your hair some time. You can't really have expectations because you truly don't know how they're gonna look, how thick they're gonna get, how full it's gonna look. You won't really know that until it starts to lock up. That's also a big part of the reason why I started over so many times. It's like each set that I had, I was able to learn what I wanted to do differently for the next time for it to come out how I envisioned. So it's okay to comb out your hair too. It's okay to change your mind, but time truly has been flying with this set. and I feel like it's been such an easy set to have because I haven't been holding my hair to these high expectations that I had before. So your mindset when it comes to your locks and the process, oh my gosh, it plays such a huge part. So please don't get discouraged. Give your hair some time. And I think I hit over 25K subscribers, which is amazing. I appreciate y'all so much, truly, even with my inconsistency. But I'm just so happy that I made this channel and I'm able to share my journey with y'all, share my tips. But it's nice to just be able to relate to somebody, you know? And I see that a lot in my comments. I know I don't always respond to my comments, y'all, because it is so overwhelming. But I see a lot of you guys communicating and interacting with each other. And that's what I love so much about having this channel, is that it's just a sense of community. Top ones are pretty locked. These are my thickest ones too. I think I already showed you guys this front one. I love it. All smiles over here. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop that down below. I will try to get back to y'all as soon as I can. I do live a pretty busy life, so just bear with me, be patient with me, y'all. And I appreciate every single one of you that are watching this video, that have watched my videos, and just continuously show support. So thank you for that. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much once again, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.